Hey students, welcome to my channel Learn Smarter and Remember Faster. So this is again a continuation video of what we have learned in our previous class, that is about the cell cytoplasm and cell organelle, right? So it will be a continuation of cell organelle. So before I move ahead with the video or with the class, I will suggest you please go and watch the cell organelle wala video, which I will be providing the link in my description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm sure that this videos will be of immense help to you. Okay, so in this case, in our last video, we have discussed about 3 organelles. First is endoplasmic reticulum, second is ribosome, and third one is mitochondria. Over here, we will discuss about Golgi apparatus. Okay, what that will be about, we will discuss about Golgi apparatus. Okay, so what is there in Golgi apparatus? Let's see. So we can see over here that yellow kind of structure where something is going inside and something is even leaving it, right? So Golgi apparatus is the Golgi body. This yellowish kind of structure is said to be the Golgi apparatus. Now here we will discuss more about, Golgi apparatus. Okay, so yeah, so what is a Golgi apparatus? So normally we can see that the Golgi apparatus occurs in the form of granules, right? Several granules leave the endoplasmic reticulum and forms the Golgi apparatus. And it is made up of granules, filaments, and some rod-like structure, which are supposed to be originated from endoplasmic reticulum. Of course, I have even said that. So from endoplasmic reticulum, few of the stuffs are being released outside the endoplasmic reticulum, that is inside the cell, only the cytoplasm, which is actually forming the Golgi body. Okay. Next word, that this complex is actually, it is very much clear from the, from the GIF that it is forming, consists of many small groups of hollow tubular structure with membranous wall and is associated with some minute vesicles and vacuoles. Okay, so we will talk about vacuoles a bit later. Okay, so yes, it is very much clear that it is made up of tubular structure with membranous wall and is associated with some vesicles and vacuoles. Okay, so we can see that this is actually a fluid filled body, which is actually getting inside this Golgi body, right? So these are actually forming the Golgi body. Okay, and then it is saying that it is concerned with secretion of cell, including enzymes, hormones, etc. So what is the function of Golgi body? The function of Golgi body is to secrete few enzymes and hormones. Okay. Now, here we will talk about lysosomes. So lysosome is a very interesting kind of cell organelle which you will find. Why? We will just see. So what happens is that lysosomes is normally a small vesicle or a small vacuole-like structure, small structure, and it might be of different shapes. Okay. So what is that vesicle? तो कुछ तो अंदर होना चाहिए, तो inside that it contains few enzymes. ठीक है, that enzyme helps in breaking down of few things, right? Like if certain bacteria is coming, so in that case it will, what it will do, it will try to use its enzymes to just kill them. Okay, so what is the function of the enzymes? The function of the enzymes inside that lysosome is that it tries to destroy and digest the foreign substances. Foreign substances का मतलब क्या है कि suppose inside the cell, ठीक है, किसी अनजान, if I say it in a normal terms, we can say it in a very simple way, that किसी अनजान कोई भी अनजान चीज अगर हमारे बॉडी में जाता है तो उसको हम फॉरेन सब्सटेंस बोलते हैं, ठीक है। एग्जैक्टली तो जब भी वो चीज अंदर जाएगा तो लाइसोजाइम जो है वो क्या करेगा, इट विल ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रॉय इट, क्योंकि उसके अंदर तो बहुत सारा एंजाइम्स है वो जो कि ना ये सबको डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है। तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर एंजाइम्स व्हिच विल डिस्ट्रॉय दो सब्सटेंसेस, क्योंकि अगर बैक्टीरिया अंदर जाएगा तो क्या होगा, इट विल गिव अस सडन डिजीजेस, राइट। सो इट्स बेटर टू डिस्ट्रॉय देम, राइट। So here we can see how they are doing it. See, bacteria is coming, that greenish one is a bacteria, right? And that small wala thing is a lysosome. So what it is doing is actually destroying the bacteria, okay? So they digest the stored food during starvation of the cell. तो जब सेल को कोई खाना वाना नहीं मिल रहा है, at that means they will digest the stored food. Many damaged cells are rapidly destroyed or dissolved by their own lysosomes, and hence these are also called the suicidal bags. See, बहुत सारा हमारे शरीर के अंदर बहुत सारा देयर आर डैमेज सेल, ठीक है। सो क्या होता है, दे जस्ट जो सेल्स होते हैं तो उसको भी तो वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम, ठीक है। तो वो कैसे होगा, तब क्या करता है, दे आर रैपिडली डिस्ट्रॉयड। जो सेल है उसके अंदर, सपोज लाइक दिस इज वन cell, right? This greenish is a cell which is not well, which is damaged or which is destroyed. So what it will do, it will go near the lysozyme and it will try to kill itself, and hence it is said to be suicide. Suicide का मतलब कि अपने आप को ही किल करने को सुसाइड बोलते हैं, राइट। सो एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट, जो सेल ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है, जो सेल ऑलरेडी डैमेज्ड है, वो अगर जाएगा इनसाइड दिस inside this lysozyme. Lysozyme is having digestive enzymes, and what it will do, it is actually going inside it. Why? Because it wants to kill itself, and hence it is said to be suicide bags. Okay. Now here is coming centrosome and centriole, right? So what does that mean? Let's see. So a centrosome is present only in animal cell, and it is a very clear area of the cytoplasm close to the nucleus. Okay. Centrosome contain two centrioles which are short bundles. So what is this? Actually centrosome तभी काम में लगता है जब हमारा सेल डिवाइड करता है टू ग्रो। अगर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म ग्रो करना चाहता है तो इसका सेल डिवाइड होना चाहिए। तो एग्जैक्टली सेल तभी डिवाइड होगा जब द सेंट्रोज, उस समय पे जब डिवाइड होगा तभी ये सेंट्रोजोम काम में लगता है। सेंट्रोजोम एक्चुअली दो सेंट्रियोल से बना हुआ रहता है, ठीक है, जो कि ना राइट एंगल्स में है, एक दूसरे के राइट एंगल्स में दिया होगा। राइट एंगल्स का मतलब क्या है, वेट आई एम शोइंग यू। Okay, no issues. So yes, this is what is happening. So what does that mean? Suppose this is the one, ठीक है, it is a microtubule, ठीक है। ये बहुत सारा माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल को एक साथ करके इट फॉर्म्स अ सेंट्रियोल, ठीक है। अब और एक सेंट्रियोल अगर ऐसे रहता है, राइट, सो इट इज सेड टू बी 90 डिग्री, इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ 90 डिग्री, राइट। So this is said to be, this is as a whole is said to be centrosome. So centrioles are produce of this microtubules or a microfilaments, right, which is arranged at 90 degree. But ये दोनों centriole जब मिल जाता है तो we get centrosome, right? There are no centrosomes or centrioles in the plant cells. Okay. Now here is the plastids. Okay, I have to remove it. Okay, I just have to remove it. Just wait. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Okay, so yes, I'm done. So here is a plastid. Now, what is plastid? So plastids are a type of organelle जो कि सिर्फ plants में ही मिलता है, ठीक है? And their shape can be of different size, but they can further be divided according to the color. Now, if I talk about potato, so potato का जो cell है, it is almost brownish, or we can say it as a colorless because उसके अंदर से जो substance आता है white color का, it is actually very transparent. So we call it as leucoplast. ठीक है? Now here is orangish color. ये orange color आता कहाँ से है? Because of the pigment called carotene. This is again, this capsicum is yellow color. कहाँ से आता है? Xanthophyll. Here we can see that it contains a lot of purplish color, right? Brinjal, grapes, again capsicum, onion, blueberry, blackberry. These are all the stuff. इसके लिए anthocyanins. And last but not least, green के लिए होता है chloroplast. These are all the according to the name, they have been divided the pigments according to this the color. So leucoplast is for colorless substance. Orange is for carotene is for orange. Yellow is for xanthophyll. Then this purple is for anthocyanin, and then it is for chloroplast. This green is for chloroplast. Okay. Here we will talk about cell inclusion. Cell inclusion का मतलब क्या है? जो भी चीज जो सेल के अंदर होता है, it is not a cell organelle. Okay. So first is granules. सेल साइटोप्लाज्म में बहुत स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, जैसे कि स्टार्च हो, ग्लाइकोजन हो, फैट्स हो. दे आर नॉर्मली बिलीव टू कंटेन द फूड मटेरियल, ठीक है? तो उसे हम ग्रेन्यूल्स कहते हैं. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल लाइक वी कैन से इट एज लाइक इट इज ओनली नीडेड फॉर, इट इज हेल्प्स इन स्टोरेज ओनली, ठीक है? एंड देन देयर इज वैक्यूल्स. व्हाट इज वैक्यूल्स? These are normally certain clear spaces. साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर कुछ छोटे छोटे जो there is a ball like structure which is formed. Inside it there is a watery kind of substance, right? This watery kind of substance is actually called the cell sap and it is present inside the plant cell. And normally vacuoles जो होता है वो सिर्फ हम plant cells में ही maximum देखते हैं, not in animal cells, ठीक है? और जो उसके अंदर, तब देखो vacuoles और granule में what is the difference? ग्रैन्यूल में भी पार्टिकल्स होते हैं छोटे छोटे, वैक्यूल्स में भी छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, लेकिन ग्रैन्यूल्स में जो पार्टिकल्स के अंदर होता है वो होता है फूड और एनी काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल्स, ठीक है? फूड मटेरियल्स वी कैन से, राइट? बिकॉज इट विल नीड फॉर योर फ्यूचर यूज. बट वैक्यूल्स के अंदर कोई फूड मटेरियल नहीं होता है. दे कंटेन सर्टेन लिक्विड व्हिच इज सेड टू बी अ सेल सैप. नाउ व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस? This actually helps in turgidity of the cell, or we can say cell buoyancy, ठीक है? तो for that reason vacuoles are needed. Animal cell does not have any vacuoles. Okay, so that was all for like cell organelles for today's class. We will discuss about cell nucleus in our next class. So please stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.